Hey everybody, it's Casey. I just wanted to give a quick shout and tell you about my experience working with Craig and the EBC team. I met Craig just over 12 weeks ago. I was in a bad spot. I was at the highest body weight of my life, had been diagnosed with high blood pressure, poor diet, bad sleep, was getting headaches, low energy levels. Things just weren't going right. I'd been trying all of the fad diets and gimmick workout plans that are out there. No success. I just fell off and it left me feeling guilty. I met Craig. He took the time to listen to what I had to say. He customized the plan that fit for me, fit for my work schedule, fit for my family life. And I gave him my full commitment. Started to see results right away. After 12 weeks, I'm down nearly 30 pounds. I'm hitting PRs in the gym that I never thought possible. I've got my energy back. My daughters think I'm fun again. Life feels good. I've got confidence again. And I just want to say thanks to Craig and the team for all of their help. Looking forward to the rest of the journey, but want to tell all of you about it and give Craig my full recommendation. It's been a ride, and looking forward to continuing in this healthy lifestyle. If you're interested, reach out to Craig. He can tell you about the plan. Take care.